Boosters, E-Painters for semi-final duel. Shrugging off Lisa's past start, Rain or Shine finished big and ended global sport. Best PBA campaign so far with 106 victory that shoved the LSU Painters into the Governor's Cup's Final Four at Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay. The LSU Painters trailed by as many as 12 in the third game, hung in the balance until the dying seconds before Gabe Norwood hit a basket with 17 ticks to go that sealed a best-of-5 clash with number 1 Petrol. Petron got another triple-double from Elea Millsap. It is a solid effort from its star-studded Localakas in a 9-0-4 decision of Barangay Ginebra later in the night as the Boosters became the third member of the Final Four. It was the 9th straight win overall for the Boosters who advanced to their first semi-final series of the season. Their clash with the Painter Stars on Monday. Millsap had 22 points, 12 assists and 11 rebounds and 4 local scores in twin digits, with Arvid Santos hitting 17 markers that went with 13 boards as the Boosters eliminated the Kings. Our immediate goal right now has been accomplished, Petron coach Guy Abanilla said. But we are aiming higher. The San Mig Coffee Alaska Series will be decided at 7:15 p.m. today, also at the arena, with the winner advancing to face Morocco in a separate best-of-5 series. Ryan Aranya hit 12 of his 16 points in the fourth period, most of them keeping the Painters within striking distance. Rain or Shine's advance also erased Peter.